Have you ever needed a bag that opens and closes? One of the Tesage Bukuro variations is the cutest bag whose handles work as drawstrings. I'm going to show you how to turn your Furoshiki into this cute Tesage Bukuro, or cosmetic pouch, or even an evening bag. Lay a Furoshiki with the printed side down. Take two corners on the same side and make a knot, but don't double knot it. Then you can make a double knot, leaving enough space. This becomes a handle. Repeat the same steps on the other side. Now you have a cute Tesage Bukuro. You can open and close the bag by adjusting these handles.